With such a large variety of platforms available for spaceflight experiments, the need to develop unique payload-to-vehicle interfaces can cost a lot of time and money. Spacelab's VEGA kit supports rapid, low-cost, universal payload interface development. The VEGA kit combines low-risk, reliable hardware with systems engineering tools to meet flight provider requirements and achieve mission success at a low cost. From proposal through launch, the VEGA SE toolkit estimates VEGA cost, defines payload interface requirements, performs structural analysis, provides assembly instructions, and even produces test procedures and flight simulations. Spacelab incorporates best practices and heritage hardware in VEGA kit development from decades of lessons learned in space experiment integration. VEGA kit supports a wide variety of payload instruments, flight vehicles, and flight environments via standard mechanical interfaces in variable volume modular structures and standardized electrical modules in customizable configurations. The Spacelab team has the breadth and depth of knowledge to meet this challenge with over 40 years of combined experience in spaceflight hardware development, testing, and mission operations.